An agent is only as smart as the data it can access. If your agent doesn't understand your company's definition of margin or the relationships between your suppliers, your inventory, and your revenue targets, it doesn't reason, it guesses. And guessing at enterprise scale creates liability, not value. The Agentic Data Cloud is Google's strategy for rebuilding the data layer so agents can actually use it. This is episode 4 of Inside the Agentic Cloud. We're moving from the agent platform to the data underneath it, how agents find it, understand it, and act on it across cloud boundaries. To understand why the data layer needs to change, think about how agents use data compared to humans. A human analyst runs a few queries a day and knows which tables to look at because they've been working with the data for months or years. They carry context in their head. An agent iterates thousands of times faster, but starts with no context at all. It doesn't know your naming conventions, your business definitions, or which datasets are trustworthy. And the data itself is scattered across multiple clouds, locked in different applications, stored in formats that were never designed for machines to read. Without that context, it hallucinates. It makes things up that look right but aren't. Traditional data catalogs tried to solve this by having teams of data stewards manually label tables and write glossaries. That worked at human scale, but agents need context across the entire data estate, updated continuously and accessible in milliseconds. That's the gap the Agentic Data Cloud closes, replacing manual curation with automated context that scales at the speed agents operate. The centerpiece of the Agentic Data Cloud is the Knowledge Catalog, a context engine that maps your entire data estate and makes it understandable to agents. It works in 3 stages. First, aggregation. The catalog automatically discovers and indexes metadata from across the enterprise: BigQuery, Spanner, AlloyDB, Cloud SQL, and third-party platforms like SAP, Salesforce, ServiceNow, and Workday. It pulls everything into a single governed source of truth. Second, continuous enrichment. Instead of relying on manual labeling, the catalog uses Gemini to analyze how your teams actually use the data, learning from query logs, profiling data behind the scenes, and auto-generating descriptions, glossaries, and relationship maps. Third, search. When an agent needs context, the catalog returns it in milliseconds using hybrid semantic and lexical matching with machine learning re-ranking. And it enforces access controls natively, so agents can only discover and act on data they're authorized to see. Context alone isn't enough if the agent can't reach the data, and most enterprise data doesn't live in Google Cloud. The cross-cloud Lakehouse solves that. Built on Apache Iceberg, the open table format that the industry has largely standardized on, it lets agents query data sitting in AWS S3 or Azure Async as if it were local to Google Cloud. The key is Google's cross-cloud interconnect, which integrates directly into the data plane. It provides dedicated private networking that dramatically reduces cross-cloud data costs, and cross-cloud caching keeps frequently accessed data local after the first read, so repeated agent queries don't keep paying the exit tax. Federation is bidirectional. Databricks, Snowflake, and AWS Glue catalogs can all read each other's Iceberg tables through the Open REST catalog standard. No proprietary lock-in, no data movement, no custom connectors. And for Spark workloads, the Lightning engine delivers up to 2 times the price performance of the leading proprietary alternative with no code changes required. So far, we've covered structured data, tables, databases, catalogs, but a huge fraction of enterprise data is unstructured: PDFs, images, scanned documents, and until now, most of it was invisible to analytics. Smart storage changes that. Starting with images and expanding to PDFs, the moment a file lands in Google Cloud Storage, it's automatically tagged, embedded, and enriched with metadata before any agent touches it. The Knowledge Catalog takes it further by using Gemini to identify useful collections of unstructured data, automatically generating schemas and mapping business relationships directly from the content. And a feature called ObjectRef lets you process unstructured data alongside structured data in standard SQL. Images and PDFs become queryable columns in the same table as your transactional data. The result is that files that were previously invisible, what Google calls dark data, are now discoverable, indexed, and accessible to agents within seconds of being uploaded. With context from the knowledge catalog and access through the Lakehouse, agents need an analytics engine that's built for their workload, and BigQuery has been redesigned for exactly that. Agents can now connect to BigQuery natively through a remote MCP server and ADK toolset, both generally available. That means any agent built on the agent platform can query, transform, and analyze data without custom database connectors. The data engineering agent, also generally available, develops, manages, and troubleshoots data pipelines automatically using the knowledge catalog for business context. One number worth calling out: optimized mode for AI functions trains task-specific models on the fly and delivers a 230 times reduction in tokens consumed compared to processing data row by row. That's a massive cost and speed improvement for any agent-driven analytics. And fluid scaling adjusts BigQuery resources per second based on demand, lowering costs by an average of 34% for the spiky workloads that agents generate. All of these capabilities, the catalog, the Lakehouse, BigQuery, need to be accessible from wherever data practitioners already work. That's what the Data Agent Kit provides. It's a portable suite of MCP tools, pre-built skills, and environment-specific plugins that drop directly into VS Code, Claude Code, Gemini CLI, and Codex. No new interface to learn. Your existing development environment becomes a native data platform. The shift it enables is what Google calls intent-driven engineering. Instead of writing a Spark pipeline to move data from one place to another, a data engineer describes the outcome: a cleaned dataset, a governance rule, a transformation, and the agent selects the engine and generates production-ready code. The Deep Research Agent, powered by Knowledge Catalog, can perform multi-step reasoning across BigQuery, internal documents, and web sources, answering complex analytical questions with citations that previously required weeks of manual work. That's the Agentic Data Cloud, a data architecture rebuilt from the ground up so agents don't have to guess. Knowledge Catalog maps your entire data estate and makes it understandable. The cross-cloud Lakehouse lets agents query data on any cloud without moving it. Smart Storage turns unstructured files into queryable assets the moment they land. BigQuery provides the analytics engine with native agent access, and the Data Agent Kit brings all of it into whatever development environment you already use. Next time on Inside the Agentic Cloud, we shift from data to defense. Episode 5 covers Agentic Defense, how Google and Wiz are building autonomous threat detection and response across multi-cloud environments. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into AI infrastructure and technology explained.